on guys, it's Shari to Japan and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have been trying to perfect this oatmeal and raisin cookie for quite some time. I wanted to do it with a little bit of a twist. So let's see if it comes out soft and chewy just like how I want it to. Fingers crossed. Now we're going to start off with some old-fashioned oatmeal, some flour, raisins soaked in brandy or rum, 1 room temperature egg, spices, 2 types of sugar, carrot, and butter. The full ingredients will be listed in the description box below. To get this out of the way, first I'm going to combine all the dry ingredients except the sugar and set it aside. Next, it's time to cream the butter and the sugar. Please remember to use room temperature butter. Obviously I didn't, so it was a little bit of a struggle. Then add the egg and the vanilla. I had no vanilla, so I used 1 teaspoon of brandy. Then afterwards, add in your carrots and combine. I then added my oatmeal mixture and soaked raisins to my cream butter and sugar in 2 parts until combined. Okay, this is a key point. Once everything is combined, set this aside in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. Now it's time for shaping and baking your cookies. I wanted my cookies to be soft and chewy, so I baked them for about 13 minutes. But if you want them to be a little bit harder, then just bake them for a little bit longer. Okay guys, I'm very excited about the end result. I'm not sure if the texture is like how I want it to be, but I'm super excited. The first batch that I did, obviously I kind of did too much, so they spread really big. Let me show you. This is one of them. This is quite large, but I mean, I'm very happy with this. I also downsized a little bit to get this size. I think I prefer this size versus this size. You can see how big they are, right? Smell really nice. They smell just like carrot cake, and that was exactly how I wanted it to be. So here's a nice little texture. So beautiful. Anyways, now it's time for the texture and the taste test. I'm so nervous because I'm really hoping that it comes out really good. So let's break this on camera. Okay, it's not bad. I'm not saying this because I made it. I'm quite picky, and whenever I make something myself and it does not come out exactly how I want it to, I get really disappointed, and you know. But this is very good. I think you should try this recipe whenever you get the chance to. I was very worried that this was going to be too sweet because of how much sugar I added to it, but it worked. Doesn't feel dry. Even the raisins, they're very nice. You still kind of get that hint of the brandy as well. I wanted it to be nice and soft and chewy, and I'm very happy with the end results, and I recommend that you guys try this recipe. Please remember to like and subscribe and also share with your friends and let me know what you think. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, bye.